Today we're making an easy, savory potato cake for when you don't know what you want to do for dinner. None of the following ingredients, except the potatoes, are set in stone. Feel free to change it up as much as you like. For my version, you'll need 6 or 7 big potatoes, which were chopped into small pieces, 1 onion, 250 gram feta cheese, 200 milliliters vegetable oil, 100 milliliters milk, 300 gram flour, 1 package of baking powder, 250 gram yogurt, 4 eggs, some dill, fresh or frozen, both work fine, and some pepper and salt. Pour the yogurt, milk, oil and eggs into a bowl and whisk it for a bit. Add the grated onion and some dill into this. Take the feta cheese and squeeze it into the mixture. If you want bigger pieces, just don't squeeze it as much. Don't forget to put in the salt generously. We have lots of potatoes in this after all. At last, the pepper, and we whisk this again. Put the baking powder into the flour and pour that into the mixture too. At the very end, fold in the potatoes until it is thoroughly mixed. Put the mixture into a well-oiled baking pan and spread this so this is equal in thickness. Bake this sucker at 170 degrees Celsius until the potatoes are soft. Check that by poking them with a toothpick. We added some sesame as an afterthought to this just because we thought it would suit this deliciousness. But of course there is no end to the possibilities. I even thought of sprinkling some cheese onto this, but I didn't want to overdo it at that point and make it too oily. I could have put more dill into this, etc. You really need to try it out. You'll love it and we want to see how yours turn out. Tag us on Twitter or write us an email for your potato greatness. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. A like is always appreciated and subscribe in case you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Thank you for watching.